Watch out for the bush! Keep it up! I see a ramp! Let's skate over it! That's some serious... Woohoo! Great job! Nice! Look out for those pebbles! Skate around the mud puddle! We need to choose the right gate that leads to Skate Park. Move me to the gate with the oval. El Ovalo. Fantastic! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Great job! Awesome! Yay! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Great! This time, help me move to the gate with the pentagon. El Pentagonal. Keep it up! Woohoo! We got it!